From the Play Academy at NurtureStore. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the Play Academy website so that you can see all of the resources that you'll have available to you when you become a member. This is the Play Academy homepage that you will arrive at when you join. You can see it's very clearly organised, so it's really easy to find your way around. If you're here for the first time, you can go to the Start Here button and get an introduction to the Play Academy and how it will work for you. If you're looking for our 5-day units, which I'll show you in a minute, you can go straight through and find those. You'll also get access to a lot of bonus printables. And if you're an annual member, you also get access to a whole load of extra ebooks to extend your resources, and you can find them there through the blue button. Each month I guide you through the resources that we've got with over 50 units to choose from. There's plenty of options for you, but some of the units are more relevant at certain times of the year, perhaps if they're a seasonal unit like our sunflower ones, or they're a festival unit like our nativity or our Ramadan units. So just to help you with your planning and to find your way around, I always suggest to you which units would be perfect for the month and even the individual weeks as we go through the year, and you'll always find the most relevant ones highlighted on this homepage. So if you're looking for a quick start, that makes it really easy for you to find a great unit to do with your children that week. You'll also find a link down at the bottom of the page for our community, which is a lovely, friendly, private community where you can come and find support and chat and make friends. So when you come through and you click on the 5-day units, it takes you through, here we go, to our library of resources. There's two ways that you can look at the units. First of all, you have a visual index, which shows you the front cover of each of the different units. So it immediately gives you a quick glance at some of the activities that you're going to find in the 5-day unit. This is really nice to use with your children. Because it's so visual, something will catch their eye that looks exciting to them, and they can pick a unit that they want to use. You'll see all sorts of content in here, lots of units for different festivals through the year, lots of nature curriculum that really fit very nicely with the seasons of the year, but then also lots of timeless units that you can use at any point of the year. For example, just here you can see a unit on dragons, a unit on the weather, and a unit all focused on Play-Doh. Okay. As well as this visual index down at the bottom, I'll just zoom through, you have a text index. This is in alphabetical order, so if you know exactly the name of the unit you're looking for, it's super quick and easy to find it. This written index also gives you a quick snapshot of what's in the unit. So you don't have to download every unit to have a look inside. Here you can come and immediately see, for example, that in the apples unit you're going to be learning about apples, take an apple taste test, look at Venn diagrams with apples versus pumpkins, bit of cooking, make some apple cookies, and then an art activity to make apple print bunting. So for the whole of the 50 plus units that we've got, this gives you a quick snapshot of what you'll find inside. So I thought we'd have a little look at one of the units. We'll go and have a look at our dinosaur unit. Okay, so all of the units are a PDF, which means that you can download them and then either view them on screen or print them off. And you can print off the whole unit if you want to, or individual pages, whatever suits you. The units, obviously, and the whole of the site is ad-free. So it's a really nice, clean, simple platform to use with your children, so that you can, be viewing it on screen with them completely ad-free. So here we go. Here's a 5-day unit. This one's all about dinosaurs. The first page always gives you the suggested plan for the week. Now you don't have to do these within 1 week, Monday to Friday. The program is completely adaptable to your needs, but I always put this out as a suggested format. So you'll see 5 activities per unit, covering a whole range of different subjects. So you're going to find maths, science, literacy, play, arts and crafts, world, culture, geography, all sorts of things incorporated in the units over the course of the year. And they'll all be planned out in a nice format so that you're introducing the topic first of all, and then following on with other activities that build on what you're learning and extend your children's understanding and enjoyment of the activity. I also list on the first page the different printables that come with the unit. Printables are really nice and easy to print off, really beneficial to have for you when you're teaching, and just fun things really to get your children doing some more hands-on activities and doing some writing perhaps. So the dinosaurs unit, you'll see each activity fully illustrated with photos. Each activity tells you what the activity is and why we're doing it and what your children will get out of it. They always include a materials needed section so you can quickly grab whatever you need. And as with all NurtureStore activities, everything is designed to be completely doable, using really simple materials that you'll have lying around at home. So if you've got a craft shelf, if you've got, a few toys and hands-on manipulatives and loose parts and so on, you'll find it really easy and quick to grab what you need to get started on the activities. And then each activity I'll guide you through, tell you how to introduce it to your children. Perhaps there will be some suggested questions that you can use to start a conversation about the topic. And then if it's a specific activity, I'll guide you through and tell you how to do it. There'll also be ideas for ways to adapt the activity for younger and for older children, and ideas of how you might extend the activity. So if your children are absolutely loving it, or they've been introduced to a new concept and they really want to go and find out more, you'll find links to different websites so they can go deeper, or suggestions for other activities that you can do to build on it. And then at the end of the unit, the PDF that you download, all the printables for that activity come with the unit. So you don't have to go hunting around to find them. They're all ready and waiting for you once you download the unit. Okay, so let's just whiz up past here, back to the home page. Okay, so that's it. That's a quick tour of the Play Academy, showing you all of the units that you will get access to when you join, all planned for you. Grab and go curriculum, completely flexible to your needs. If you want a unit for every single week of the year, you've got it. If you want a unit occasionally, they're there as well. If you want a program that you can use Monday to Friday, it's ready and waiting for you. If you want a unit that you can jump in and out of through the year to suit your classroom or your family, it's absolutely adaptable for all of your needs. So if this sounds good to you, if you want a grab and go, ready to teach set of thematic units that are hands-on, full of play, full of arts and crafts activities that children just love, come and join us.